In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zapier with Asana to automate tasks and project management on the desktop. By the end, you'll know exactly how to connect Asana to other tools so routine updates happen for you in the background. First, head to zapier.com and log into your Zapier account. Once you're in the dashboard, click Create, then choose Zap under Start from Scratch. A Zap is simply an automated workflow made of two parts: a trigger that starts the process and an action that runs after. We'll build one together using the current desktop interface. For the trigger, choose Asana as your app. Next, pick a trigger event. Common choices are New Task, New Project, or Task Completed. New Task will fire whenever a new task is created. New Project triggers when a project is added. Task Completed starts the workflow when a task is marked done. Choose the option that matches the moment you want automation to kick in. Connect your Asana account, then select the specific workspace and project you want to monitor. Make sure you pick the same project your team actually uses so the workflow watches the right place. Click Test Trigger to pull in sample data from Asana. This gives you a real example task or project to work with, helping you confirm Zapier can see the details you need, like the task name and due date. Now click Add Action. Choose the app where you want the Asana data to go. Popular choices include Google Sheets for logging, Slack for team notifications, email for alerts, or Trello for creating follow-up cards. After selecting the app, choose the appropriate action event. For example, in Google Sheets, you might create a new row. In Slack, post a channel message. In email, send an email. And in Trello, create a card. Connect the Action App account so Zapier has permission to send data. Then map your Asana fields to the action fields. This is where you decide exactly what information travels over, such as the task name, assignee, due date, description, and task URL. Take a moment to match each field clearly so your output is clean and useful. Click Test Step to make sure everything works. Zapier will send a sample to your chosen app so you can verify the result looks right. If it does, click Publish to turn the Zap on. From now on, whenever your trigger happens in Asana, your action will run automatically with no extra effort. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.